Hello guys, we are here now. We are heading to the Baywalk. This is my place. I'm with my good friend Tri Driv Salange. Also, yeah. What's your channel again? Tri Vlogs Unlimited.
My goodness, you forgot my channel. वो तो गांव वाला थोड़ा सीन है बट
See, he's enjoying his doing
लग रहा है
vlog.
नज़ारा ये नज़ारे अच्छे ही हैं इस तरफ के
Sunset is nice here. Sun will be there.
looks very good.
The sunset. The owner of that White House,
हाँ
Indian married to Filipina. That White House, third floor. That white with white paint.
Nikki, you want that? Nikki can definitely do this. But Nikki's not marrying, so why will I do?
Mm-hmm. Hello.
Haji.
Belum bisa ako ini gini-gitu doang tama.
Hindi ko alam bisa.
Gamay.
Tapos
So Mom Lotlot is living there. See the place, guys. Oh my God, it's very nice. Lovely.
Babu, can you hold? I want to hold the baby.
Mm-hmm.
You hold this, huh?
Ganahan ka na siyang bata.
Make baby no.
Maybe he will cry. Babu, you will fall down, huh? The baby is with you.
No. Oh,
He likes baby. Oh, the baby likes it. The baby likes you.
So ano?
First time kami nag-meet February. Hindi rin man siya pag February. Oh, dari siya February na siya ako sa airport. Ha? Ikaw ni? I was surprised on the February when I saw you. See? You make baby na lang.
No.
He likes babies, guys. They're friends. See, this is Mom Lotlot.
Not when we both were worried why we're not getting monetized? Why we're not getting monetized? All are getting 2 days.
11 days of waiting.
Yes, 11 days
Ikaw,
now.
dugay na kami ni Tay.
Now it is 11 days.
Kami nauna lang sa gamay si Tay.
Oh.
Ako 2 years back.
Okay.
2 years. Ah, mag 2 years na.
Ako, sige ra ko nakahinak ko kay ngano na 11 days. Pero pag kaibahan ako nga si Tay na 8 days, ay nakalma ko.
She was like,
Gikan
okay, I'm not
pagkakuha
alone.
nimo sa watch hours, 11 days.
Gikan sa pag-apply na ko ni Lolo.
Ako hapit man 1 month.
Amo ba?
2021.
No, nowadays what happened till
Kay pandemic man to ma'am dugay mo ah.
no till March it was like you will
No,
be getting monetized in 2 days or 3
it
days
was
maximum.
pandemic during my time. That was it took us 1 month because of the pandemic.
But generally it gets in 2 to 3 days.
Ang sa ko una man na si Try og apply. Ako nisunod ko niya mga after 3 days una lang siya na 3 days apply.
Many people were saying like, oh, it should not take this much long, and I also get like, and what I did, each day I used to call the YouTube guys, like guys have applied,
guys
guys have
Sa
applied.
YouTube nga.
Ako ko sa chat sige ko kingon niya ay na sig chat huwata na lang. Mamong ko siya mo chat din siya. Yes, so it's very
Yes,
nice.
ako nagaan ko kasi try na ako siya kaming duha lagi. Ano sige kung gato siya live mag-live man siya try kina. What happened try? Wala hanggang ngayon wala ka pa.
Nalipay kayo na monetize siya.
And now I think membership will also be opened. Mine is opened, membership.
Ako dugay na.
Member join button will also be there.
You buy for me?
Why not?
Takoyaki. Takoyaki is a but no, you will not eat that.
I don't need anything. I'm just drinking water. That's it. For me, only water.
You will not, you want.
I don't need anything.
Ano sa'yo sold sa takoyaki dong? Na vegetable. Oh, vegetable takoyaki. Di mo siya mukha karne. Unsa to vegetable tsaka? Moro? Do ka kain? Imo sa haman cheese? Okay, usa ka vegetable, duha ka haman cheese.
Why you too small? Let's fight.
Is this mustard?
Hey, let's run.
Mustard sauce? Unsa na nga sauce ba? Asa ya? Unaya vegetable.
Let's run.
Guys, we are purchasing. Tagpila na?
Buhok.
Tulo.
Oh.
Oh. Tulo sad ka. Haman cheese. Guys, we are purchasing takoyaki right now.
You record all, huh? I'm not even.
Ha 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 ha.
You record all.
So they have vegetable takoyaki. I'm so happy because this guy will not eat meat. Siya po, di ka mo, you will not eat spicy, right? No.
Spicy.
So this one is for you. You pay, babo. Only 90 pesos.
Wait lang.
Duha ka ham.
Do.
Duha ka tag 30. Maghang ka? Yes? Maghang sa iya man na. Ako gamay lang kay ang hang ako kay nakoy hyper. So you eat na your takoyaki, it's a vegetable. You can. Where is the money?
Wala na
Let me hold that so that you can get your money.
Limoni.
Naibay nag-vlog din nga about kami ganun.
So ako man ihatag niyang vlog ani kay iya man ning kwan.
Baho. Pwede mo try. You vlog this area, try. You
Yeah,
vlog this area.
I'm doing something there. Already I've done some part there.
So, plenty of
Wait.
place here.
Gamay lang hang. We're going to pay now. It's this yummy. It's yummy.
Do we have any money exchange?
Mga friends, kaya na-meet na namin yung aming isang kaibigan na si Sister Lutlut. Again, we will meet another friend.
इनके पास जो वेब सर के पास
Wait, Babu!
nearly 1 महीना हो गया. Nearly 1
We will meet our other YouTube friend.
Previously मैं लाइव पे जाता था.
We'll go now.
करता था.
Going to my...
के पास मैं गया तो वो नहीं. बड़े नहीं मैं जाऊंगा. आइए जा ही रहे हैं उनके पास. जीवी को देखिए बना रही है वीडियो आराम से. देखो. अरे बाबा खुशी तो देखो. बढ़िया है भाई बढ़िया है. अच्छा
I'm just kidding. Chalo.
puppies are here. They play with the puppy.
Babu, you look handsome.
In the
And that lady na was selling some food there, barbecue. I was talking to her while you were talking to Sis Lutlut. She was saying to me, is he an Indian? I said, yeah.
full bird India.
Yeah, and I said, why Indians are like that? They're handsome.